Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will read nouns, males and females. Let's learn. Look at the following pictures and read the words given below them. Man, bull, peacock, prince, woman, cow, peahen, princess. The words man, bull, peacock, prince, woman, cow, peahen and princess are all common nouns. The noun man, bull, peacock and prince are males. It means that they belong to a group or gender called the masculine gender. जो man, bull, peacock, prince ये सब क्या है? Masculine gender. The nouns woman, cow, peahen and princess are females. It means that they belong to a group or gender called the feminine gender. Woman, cow, peahen, princess ये क्या है? Female है और ये feminine gender है. All living things usually have two genders, the masculine gender and the feminine gender. दो gender होते हैं, masculine and feminine. Now read the following and know the differences between male and their females. Now males, father, brother, uncle, husband, grandpa, son and nephew. Male, father, females, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, husband, wife, grandpa, grandma, son, daughter, nephew, niece. I hope आपको मेल और फीमेल और मैस्कुलिन और फेमिनिन जेंडर में डिफरेंस क्लियर हुआ होगा. Now this is your exercise, you have to practice it.